Embrace the opportunity to delve into the realm of classic cars by considering this 1965 American Rambler. Priced at $3,000, it's a project car situated in Las Vegas. Although currently non-functional, it presents a captivating restoration endeavor for automotive enthusiasts seeking a vintage gem. This 1969 Mercury Montego presents a promising opportunity for classic car enthusiasts, boasting a clean NM title, only 67,000 original miles, and a robust 300 V8 engine with recent upgrades. The inclusion of a new Edelbrock carb, glassback exhaust, and Pertronix electronic ignition kit enhances its appeal for 1960S 1970S projects. Despite the need for transmission work, including a provided new torque converter, the car runs and drives. The functional factory air conditioning and overall completeness, along with features like power steering and rebuilt drum brakes, make it an attractive option for restoration or customization. Priced at $4,500 cash, it could be an excellent investment for those looking to embark on a classic car project. This 1967 Mercury Cougar XR7, priced at $4,500 in Austin, presents an exciting classic car restoration project. Although it requires attention and floor pan replacement, the vehicle comes with promising features such as intact glass, decent chrome, complete interior, and a rebuilt 300 motor with AC for transmission. The inclusion of a Mustang to suspension kit and fiberglass hood adds further appeal. With a clear blue title and additional engine bay photos available, this Cougar offers a great opportunity for classic car enthusiasts to restore and customize. The asking price of $4,500 is negotiable, making it an enticing prospect for those passionate about vintage automobiles. This 1960 Corvair 700, priced at $4,000 in Meridian, presents a great opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. With impeccable sheet metal, trim, and a rust-free body, it sits on a lift for thorough inspection. The well-maintained interior, featuring original rear seat vinyl, adds to its allure. Although the engine and transmission are currently removed, they were in working condition before storage. Stored indoors, this Corvair is a roller with excellent glass condition, making it an enticing prospect for restoration enthusiasts. This 1963 rare Jeep Gladiator J300 for WD, a true barn find, presents a unique opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. Although it requires substantial restoration, the original Tornado 236-cylinder engine and 3-speed column shift provide a solid foundation. With an Arizona title and essential components intact, including drivelines, the project is priced reasonably at $2,500. Addressing rusted floorboards and resolving steering issues will demand dedication, making it an ideal venture for those passionate about restoring vintage vehicles. Embrace the opportunity to delve into the realm of classic cars with the 1960 Volvo 540 for B18 priced at $3,000 in Colorado Springs. Despite requiring comprehensive maintenance and a fuel tank cleaning, this vintage gem boasts a functional engine and intact interior components, making it an enticing project for enthusiasts. Embrace the challenge of addressing rust issues, a common characteristic in aged vehicles. With all its original parts, good glass, and an indeterminate odometer reading, this Volvo 540 for B18 holds promise for restoration aficionados seeking a fulfilling venture. This 1956 Oldsmobile Super 88, priced at $3,999 in Dyer, Indiana, presents a promising project for classic car enthusiasts. Featuring an Oldsmobile Rocket V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor, factory power brakes, and a frame-off restoration in progress, this four-door beauty boasts a solid structure with clean original floors and trunk. Although not currently drivable, the meticulously started restoration includes a refurbished frame, new bushings, suspension components, body bushings, brakes, and fuel and brake lines. With a clean title, this Oldsmobile Super 88 holds great potential for a stunning vintage ride once completed.